Hello there. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you all are good today. So this is a very important video for all of us. As you have read about the title of this video, that we are going to discuss here about how to select a proper database for our application need, and which database engine or which database we should use for our workloads. So depending our use cases, depending our workload, depending our requirement, the database should be selected. Whenever I receive a query, receive a request about how we should figure out that is which database we should use, like we all are already aware about what are the databases available in the market actually. So we have PostgreSQL, you have we have MySQL, we have the Oracle database available in the market actually. These databases are are best in their features and capabilities, but it is our responsibility to select the right kind of a database to use actually. Whether you require a database which can handle more reads, which is simple to use. Let's see, if you are your requirement is you want your database or your application is highly intensive towards analytics purpose. So that's why you use a database which can perform the analytical operations on the database actually. So the different kinds of requirement can be there. So depending on the use cases, depending on the business requirement, we should use a right kind of database actually. So in this video we are going to discuss about how we can use the proper and right database for our application. Back in my my profile, I simultaneously was receiving a lot of issues about how we can how we can use a database, how how enterprises, which database is good for enterprise, which database is good for web application, which database is used for SaaS based application. So these are many questions are in mind actually. But to select the right database, it is engineer's duty. It is the duty of a developer or a system admin or a database engineer who is working on the systems, that they should know about the features and the needs of the database selection uh, of the DB actually. We already have different kinds of databases available in the market actually. But in this video, we are explicitly we are going to discuss about three databases, that is Postgres, MySQL, and the Oracle DB. So for this, I have prepared a Word document to to briefly describe how you can simply use those databases. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to simply going to show you how you can simplify and how you can differentiate between the databases, how you can use it. So this is the the Word document I have prepared it. I just search about the things that we have to taken care of. So this is the Word document. I'll the link it. I'll upload it to the GitHub, so you can easily download it. So if you want more, if you want to read it about this, so I have just enlisted a few few details. The necessary details I already have been it's already there in the document actually. So choosing between Postgres, MySQL, and Oracle isn't about just about the features actually. It's depend on the use cases, as I have already discuss this point in the earlier talks actually. Obviously budget is the the thing which is under consideration if you have a less budget, you should not go for the expensive databases for the application. Depends on the your budget, you can definitely use. But this is in this video we are not going to discuss about the budget. We are going to discuss about the features of the databases and how you can simply use those databases. So first of all, we have MySQL. MySQL, the simple database. You can simply, it's an open source database. You can simply go on the website and just download and use it. So this is the open source database. You can see the Postgres basic architecture. What are the components are in the architecture, that is postmaster backend processes. What are the users, shared buffers, and the log files are there, then archive files are there, wall files are there. In the later upcoming videos, I'll be explain you. I'll definitely explain you how these uh, things are. So in this video, we are not going to discuss about the architecture. So let's not go there. So just in this simple video, we will just simply discuss how you can simply selecting the right database on the business requirement. Obviously, the PostgreSQL is open source, highly extensible. You can simply upgrade it. You can simply modify and you can add storage in the PostgreSQL. Already you have RDS in the Amazon RDS, so you will use that. So then it is. Obviously strong focus on standard compliance and advanced features that gives you the compliance ready and advanced feature. What are the advanced features are there, so we will discuss it later. Best for complex queries, analyticals, and enterprise apps. So I have already discussed these features, that if you want to use the database for analytical purpose, so you can definitely go with the PostgreSQL. If you have complex queries, like you need let's say you are supposed to fire a complex query. You want to retrieve some complex data from the database, and then this kind of things can be done using this Postgres is basically capable for handling the complex queries actually. So obviously, and enterprise apps can be easily deployed on the database PostgreSQL. So this is the brief about the PostgreSQL database. Again, we have MySQL, Oracle, compatibility here. So uh, let's discuss about this. So this is the the user interface for MySQL database. You can simply go and download a database using their official website. If you want, I'll be and I'll share the download links in the description as well if you want it. So just comment it down if you want a downloadable link for your use. So I'll be I'll definitely post in the description. And just simply subscribe this YouTube channel, guys. I'll be posting more interesting and useful videos about the cloud services, and how you can simply minimize your overhead of infrastructure and purpose. So MySQL open source, already it is open source, but it is owned by Oracle Corporation. It means you have to pay some amount of fees when you require a high features available in the database. So this is what owned by Oracle Corporation. Here it means that is it's under the Oracle Corporation. So this is the all the modification, all the backend processes are taken care by Oracle Corporation here. So this is simple, fast, and widely used. So MySQL compatible versions, database DB is simple to use, fast for read and write purpose, and it is widely used. So it means it is high in demand. So then we have, where to use MySQL. This is best for web application. Let's say you are running a web application, then you'll use MySQL DB. Let's say you are just starting up your company. Let's say you are just startup. You have started your application, or you have just started your business, so you don't need to worry about the complexity of database management, then you can definitely go with the MySQL version. So this is how MySQL database is. And again, we have Oracle database, enterprise ready. Most of the enterprises are, they don't they don't worry about the cost and the complexity. They just simply need a highly featured and highly compatible DB for the use. So they'll definitely go for Oracle database. Actually, it's proprietary. It's owned by Oracle. It's their own DB actually. So this is the UI. This is the simple the UI of the DB. Then it is I have already explained you how this is this is enterprise grade. Whenever you are working with the enterprise developers or the company, you will go with the Oracle DB actually. So this is enterprise grade. It means what are the features required by the enterprise, so that all can be fulfilled by Oracle DB actually. So this is how Oracle DB's advanced security features are there. It means a security breach or data leakage or consistency or duplication of data or any misconfiguration between data can be easily identified in the Oracle database actually. Scalability, already we are already have. I think you guys are already aware about the scalability feature. Actually, scalability, it means you can easily scale it up and down based on the traffic requirement and storage criteria. And it has a wide support across the globe actually. So you don't need to worry about. You can easily take support from their support team. So this is Oracle DB, guys. So this is best for large enterprises, banking, mission critical systems. Already we have already know about the banking systems are very they are operational. They are highly transaction. But queries are there. That's why they required a DB which can support their enterprise grade ready database. So bankings definitely prefer post their DB in the data in the Oracle database. And whenever you required mission critical systems that you don't need to lose, you don't need any what we can say you don't you let's say you don't want the system that is how you can, let's say it is a critical system, that's why you don't need to worry about all the other things that so there you can use Oracle DB actually. So this is simple features, and this is the detailed key differences about three databases. License open source, definitely you don't need to purchase for PostgreSQL. It is open source, you can easily download it. MySQL open source with paid options. Whenever you require a larger features, you will have to pay. And Oracle is obviously paid, you cannot download it and you cannot use it without paid. Performance, balanced performance, read plus writes are there for Postgres. MySQL is faster reads and extremely optimized Oracle it is. Then scalability, Postgres is highly scalable. MySQL is moderate, and Oracle is very high. You can a terabyte of database can be stored in the Oracle. It is already enterprise ready. So already we are already aware about the enterprises required large number of data. Then we have ACID compliance. The compliance can be compromised or not. So this is for full compromise. Full compliance. Is for Postgres. MySQL is partially, and Oracle is fully compliance with the enterprise use case. Then the JSON support. The Postgres has excellent support. MySQL has good support for JSON, and then again we have Oracle is good for JSON support actually. If you your data or your web application is handling your get and post request using your JSON format, then you you'll use a Postgres, DB. Then some of the other features are there. That is extensibility, highly extensible, limited, and high. So this is these all are features, easy of use, moderate, easy, complex, cost, free, and the Oracle is obviously the paid version actually. So these all are the basic features of three databases. How you can select. So this is another question. When to use. When to use and what. So use PostgreSQL if you need complex queries or analytics. So this is uh, a one line answer, guys. If you require complexity, if you are using high complex queries and analytical purpose, you will use a Postgres working with the JSON and relational hybrid data. Whenever you require a JSON support, you will go with the Postgres. Building SaaS or fintech systems, you will use Postgres. MySQL, if you want simplicity and speed, you will go with the MySQL version. It is best for web application and startup and low budgets. We have already discussed this. Use Oracle if you are using for banking, telecom, and large enterprises. So these are the few points for all the requirements, guys. So this is the brief video, guys, about how you can simply differentiate between the databases actually. If you want the more if you need any help to how you can simply launch database, how you can migrate data, how you can how you can secure it, so you can definitely reach out to me. You can definitely comment in the video description. I'll be more happy to help you. And if you require any other cloud services related questions, you can definitely write down in the comment section. I'll be more happy to help you guys. You can simply go on my LinkedIn profile where you can get in touch with me. So this is the brief video about how you can simply use Postgres, MySQL, or the Oracle databases. So this is a database selection related video. I have just prepared you for you guys. So I hope this video is helpful for all of you. So just subscribe this this channel, and keep learning. I'll be posting more videos, most interesting tech videos on this channel. And I just a few days ago, I just received a query from a client where they are are stuck in selection of right database. So that's why I came with this topic. So I hope you all are enjoying these videos, and I hope you have watched this video till the end. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Bye.